BSP Chief Mayawati turns 58 today, and instead of all the usual celebrations that we see every year on her birthday, the BSP this year has chosen to kickstart its Lok Sabha campaign today. The Muzaffarnagar riots have prompted Mayawati to decide against a very glitzy event this year. The ruling Samajwadi Party and Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, remember, have faced a lot of criticism because of the recently concluded Sci-Fi Mahotsav that was held at a time when children in riot relief camps were dying of the cold.
No cake, no song and dance, just plain political grandstanding. The BSP claims it is toning down Mayawati's birthday bash to show solidarity with the riot victims of Muzaffarnagar. Perhaps a carefully thought out move after the Akhilesh Yadav government's Sci-Fi festival triggered massive outrage. But Mayawati is using her birthday as an occasion to unleash her party's Lok Sabha campaign. The rally, titled Savdhan Sabha, will focus primarily on the attempts of rival parties to woo her dedicated vote base, the Dalits. At a grand rally expected to be attended by lakhs of supporters from across the country, Mayawati will caution them about her political rivals.
मुजफ्फरनगर के हालातों को देखते हुए जो दंगा पहले दंगा कराया, फिर उनको घर से बेघर कराया, घर से बेघर जब हो गए तो टेंटों में पहुंचाया, फिर टेंट उखाड़ दिए। माननीय बहन जी ने अपना तय किया कि हम उस दिन यहां पर आकर के और अपने प्रदेशवासियों को, देशवासियों को संबोधन करेंगे, इन सब मुद्दों पे बातें करेंगे।
The rally will be held in the Rambai Ambedkar rally grounds on the outskirts of the city. Mayawati will even skip her usual chopper ride and travel 20 kilometers by road instead. The BSP is also borrowing ideas from the Aam Aadmi Party. These blue caps, fashioned on the AAP prototype, are the latest party merchandise for its workers. Each costing less than 10 rupees, the messaging is simple: the party name and the elephant symbol. A massive blue tented city called Mayanagar will come up near the rally grounds to manage the crowd trickling in from more than 10 states across the country. There is food, firewood and blankets for everybody. The BSP, known for its organizing skills as a party, has issued ID cards for every person attending the rally. A blanket of security has been thrown around the venue with more than 100 police officers and 1,200 security personnel deployed to guard the rally grounds. Mayawati will also unveil the latest edition of her memoirs, a travelogue of my struggle-ridden life. Her supporters say their gift to Behenji will be the Prime Ministership in Delhi.
बहन जी को हम इस देश का 2014 में प्रधानमंत्री बनाएंगे।
2014 में बहन कुमारी मायावती जी को इस देश का पीएम बनाकर सही मायने में उनको उनके जन्मदिन का तोहफा दे।
With Anand Zanane in Lucknow, Gauri Datta Gupta, NDTV.